Welcome to another behind the scenes look for the Haunted Great Oak. This time I'm going to be showing you what our ghosts look like from the inside when the lights are on. So if you are interested in making something like this, what I did is I took some electrical wire and shaped it into a head and shoulder outline. Then I got some fabric that could be used for weddings or anything else, basically some chiffon, and I did a piece that comes over the shoulders, and there's a hole in the top that went over the head, and then another piece that went over the front and back of the body. And then I used another piece that went around the head part and filled it with some additional material on the inside of it. And as you'll notice, I just tied it in the back here with a regular square knot to make it be in place. And the way that I rigged this up to make them move, to go different directions, well, towards the window and away from the window. Upstairs is a different way, which I will have in a different video. But the way that I did it is I ran some fishing line that is going from painter's poles back here. And from the painter's poles, there is fishing line that comes up through the back of the ghost and goes up to the curtain rod where I attached it using a safety pin, a paper clip. And then the way that I make it move from there is I've got a V-shaped, can't even see it here. So there's a V-shaped set of fishing line. There's a part attached to each side of the head, and that goes up into a singular point up here. And from the singular point, it goes up over the curtain rod and then comes back down to a fan that is down here. And as the fan turns, it gives slack or takes away slack and thus slides them up the initial fishing line. So when everything is up and running, it will look something like, Alexa, turn on guest room.
Okay.
So the fan starts moving, which can also help give the ghosts their feeling of actual movement on their own. And as you'll notice, the ghosts will move closer to the window and further away from the window. So again, it's pretty inexpensive. The most expensive parts, of course, are going to be the UV black light and the fan that's on the floor. The material is pretty inexpensive as long as you have some place to put your painter's poles, and curtain rod, of course, is needed for this. So this is how the downstairs ghosts move away and toward the window. And when everything is all running like this is how it looks from the inside. So on that note, go make something.